Hi, in this video I'll show you how you can move an object from an image using Canva. Now I'm not talking about moving a piece of text or moving a shape or moving a picture from one location to another. That's obviously something that you can do in Canva. I'm talking about an object that appeared in an image, but you are not happy with the position and you want to move it to a different location. For example, I have this picture of a coffee table. I believe this is a coffee table. And I want to put this coffee to be in the middle. Right now it's on the right side, and this is part of the image. This is not separate. So in order to do that, in order to move this object to the middle, I have to isolate it, and then I should be able to move it as a independent pieces. And the only way to do that easily in Canva is by using the magic grab feature in Canva. It is an AI feature that allows you to move an object quickly. Now, in order to get that, in order to use that, you have to click on the image, click edit image, and you have to select magic grab. So Canva will try to recognize the objects within the image. So it noticed that there are some different objects that you could actually isolate and move it around. But I'm going to click on this one and click grab. Just wait until it finishes. Canva is essentially trying to modify the image. So it will isolate this coffee, and then it will catch the whole from the image, because after all, when you move something, it needs to be refilled. It needs to be populated with similar texture like the rest of the image, and it's what makes the AI working very hard. Now we have the coffee isolated from the picture, and we can move it somewhere else. We can move it here in the middle, and you see this area has been recreated. AI is trying its best to find what is the best content to be put into this empty area, but I think it's doing a great job. It's not perfect. I can tell that this is a bit darker, but it is all right, still pretty good. And that's essentially how you can move an object within an image in Canva.